Reese and I researched Nicolas Steno for our project. Nicolas Steno was born on January 1st, 1638, in Copenhagen, Denmark. He was the son of a goldsmith who worked for King Christian IV of Denmark. As a young boy, he grew very ill and was forced to be isolated from society for most of his childhood. In 1644, his father died. Steno's mother married another goldsmith later on. Around 1654, when he was in school, 240 of his peers were killed by the plague. When he was 19, he attended the University of Copenhagen and studied medicine.
Steno traveled throughout Europe, visiting the Netherlands, France, Italy, and Germany. Along the way, he met with prominent figures in medicine and science. These people helped him use his own observational skills to make important discoveries in science. Steno then traveled to Amsterdam to study anatomy. Steno converted to Roman Catholicism soon after accomplishing all of this. His interest soon changed from science to religion, and he stopped working in his prior fields to fully focus on working for the church.
Steno made the groundbreaking realization that the Earth's crust portrays a direct history of Earth's geological events, and that the history can be comprehended and dissected by careful study of the strata and fossils. He rejected the idea that mountains grow on their own, instead saying that they are formed by movements of the Earth's crust. Steno is also credited with the discovery and development of the law of superposition, the principle of original horizontality, the principle of lateral continuity, and the principle of cross-cutting relations. Additionally, he was largely responsible for the invention of stratigraphy, which is the branch of geology concerned with the order and relative position of strata and their relationship to the geological timescale.
He discovered the parotid salivary duct. In 1669, he published a book of his geological observations, in which he outlined what would become the science of crystallography, suggested that fossils are the remains of ancient organisms, and proposed the idea that a large number of rocks are the result of sedimentation. Today, his work is used by geologists very often. Geologists in geology classes use strata and the principles he developed. They are a large part of the curriculum of geology classes across the world. In our class, Steno's work has been very prominent. We work with strata and learned in depth about the principle of superposition, original horizontality, lateral continuity, and cross-cutting relations.
Nicolas Steno's work crafted him a long-lasting legacy. His contributions to science are a large part of the fundamentals of geology. Not only were his discoveries extremely crucial to the current state of the field of geology, but there is also a museum dedicated to him in Denmark. The Steno Museum features exhibits of Steno's accomplishments in all of the many fields he worked in. Steno's groundbreaking discoveries overall changed the perspective of geology and influenced many geologists.